Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to do a wiring and installation of Raptor lights in this 2019 Toyota Highlander. What I have here is an aftermarket Raptor lights which I bought in Amazon for 40 Canadian dollars, and this is actually for Tacoma. I searched all over the internet for front grille lights specific for Highlander, but no luck. In the box are wires for smoke LED lights, and as you can see, this design is to clip in Tacoma grill, but it's not a big deal. This will work just fine in Highlander. This also comes with a wiring harness with the 15 amps fuse. The materials and tools that we need for this installation are zip ties, diagonal cutting pliers, 10mm ratchet wrench, and also you're going to need a pry tool for removing retainer clips. The first thing that you need to do is to remove the retainer clips of the front cover. It's total of 9 clips. Remove the front cover. Position the 4 LED lights where you want it to be. Use zip ties for it to stay in place. Make sure you tied it crisscross so it will stay in the center. And do the same procedure on the remaining 3 LED lights. Cut the excess zip ties. Once all the LED lights are tied and in position, then we can start the wiring. Connect the wires to the LED lights. Once you hear it clicks, then it's already locked. Make sure to organize the wires using zip ties. You sure don't want to leave it dangling. Now we're at the fuse box. I'm going to use this tester to determine which one to use. Usually it's the headlamp fuse that should be used, but there is an issue with that, and I will show you later. Make sure to ground the circuit tester before use. When you check the fuse with constant power, the circuit tester should light up, even when the vehicle is off. And when you check the other switch, it shouldn't light up because there should be no current flowing unless you turn the vehicle on. So this is the fuse that I'm going to use on the Raptor LED light. Loosen this bolt and connect the ground wire and retighten. Use the fuse puller to remove the 10 amp fuse and place it in the wiring harness of the LED lights and connect and insert to the fuse box. Okay, that's good to go. Let's test this. As I was saying earlier, I won't be able to use the headlamp fuses due to the fact that it's always on, the power is constant, and if I'm going to use it, I will end up draining the battery at some point. But I'm actually planning to make the wires longer to reach the fuses under the dash, and I'm also having this issue when you close the lid of fuse box, you end up squeezing the wires. Like I've said, I'm gonna put an extension wire so I can wire it inside. Other than that, this installation is done and I hope you like it. And if you do, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. See you on the next video.